The 721 and 821 multi-wire strippers and cutters provide accurate, clean strips every time. The tools are compact, lightweight, and easy to use, with identifying AWG millimeter wire sizes printed on the tool's jaws. The 721 strips and cuts 20 to 10 AWG, 0.8 to 2.6 millimeter wire sizes, and the 821 strips and cuts 26 to 16 AWG, 0.4 to 1.3 millimeter wire sizes. To use, first make a clean cut of the wire with the cutter incorporated in the jaw of the tool. Place the cleanly cut wire into the correct cavity corresponding with the wire size that's to be stripped. Clamp down on the wire completely. Back off the pressure slightly and strip the wire by pulling the tool towards the end of the wire.
Find out more at Vicom's website.